Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to put you through on how to connect Word, that is Microsoft Word, to a cloud service. When you do this, anytime you create document, that document is being saved automatically on Drive. The drive we are talking about here is the Microsoft OneDrive. So follow me to the end to get everything you need to know on how to do this. I decided to create this video on how to connect a cloud service to Rod because many people have asked the question on how do you connect a cloud service to Rod. Okay, so I will put you through on how you can do that. First thing first, ensure that your PC is connected to internet. Here it is connected to internet already. Then click on start and then open the Word app. So I'll search for Word and then select the best match. So I'll go with this. So once the Word app opens, you have an interface that looks like this, but I want to work with blank documents. So I'll select this. Now let me type few things that I will use as the content of my document. Okay, my content says this is how to connect Word to cloud service. If you are using the Word app contain a Microsoft 365 subscription, Microsoft 365 is a program by Microsoft which contains some major Office applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and the others. So, for you to connect this Word to cloud, that is OneDrive. The OneDrive service is the one owned by Microsoft. Once you open the document, ensure that this is turned on. You can see autosave. So come here and turn it on. Once this is turned on, you'll be shown the OneDrive account that is linked to this Word application. So click on it. Then it says you should give this document a name. Let's say Word Connect, okay? So once you give this document a name, click OK. You can see here say autosave is turned on. So anytime you type anything here, it's automatically saved in Drive. So this is how you can connect your Word document or Word application to cloud service. If you want to know if this is already working, what you need to do is click on Files, click on Open. Then this shows this OneDrive as one of the places, one of the locations where your file is saved. Okay, you have this PC, you have other place, you have browse. So let's go with this. Then you can see this file we just connected to cloud here. Can you see that? So anything you're adding to this file is saved in OneDrive automatically. Then let's look for another way to verify this. So I'll minimize this. Then let me open my Edge browser. Then I will visit OneDrive.com. It have a website of its own. Once this OneDrive app opens, you will be landed on an interface that looks like this. So click on this My Files. This displays some files that are backed up on this cloud service. And remember the name of the document is what again? Let's check back. What Connect, okay? Okay, let's click on recent file, recent tab. Okay, you can see this is our file that we save now, which is what connect is already backed up on cloud. Okay, so if we are using older version of Microsoft Word, whereby you don't have this OneDrive icon, the autosave icon here, there's an alternative way you can do this to back your Word up in OneDrive. First, save the file in your PC. So I click on File. Okay, so let's save a copy. Okay, because we have already backed up on file on Drive. Then select Browse. Okay, so let's get to somewhere here, maybe in the Documents folder. Okay, let's say What Connect PC. Okay, so that we know that this one is the one we save locally. All right, after that, click on Save. Okay, Now we have saved this locally. Then let's close this. On the assumption that the what app you're using is not contained in Microsoft 365. Okay, so I'll close this. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to visit that some OneDrive.com. So because you can access it on the web, once you visit OneDrive.com, log in with your Microsoft account details. But here I'm landed on the homepage already without requesting for sign-in details because I saved my login details on this browser. So now let's now go and upload this file. So we are landed on my files tab. So for us to add a file here, click on add, select the option to upload files upload. Okay, this opens the file explorer for our PC automatically. Let's go to downloads, which is where we saved the file. We called it Word Connect. So let's search for it. Okay, see Word Connect PC. Okay, so we select that, then click on open. You can see this file Word Connect PC.docs is now saved here. Okay, so this is how you can now save your file or back it up on cloud. Okay, and the cloud service we are using here is the one owned by Microsoft, which is named OneDrive. So anytime you want to access your file, you can get to the cloud storage, which is and see the file here. So you can see the file we just uploaded here, Word Connect PC here. So it's that simple. So your file is not going to get lost. Maybe you find yourself with somewhere tomorrow. Just get to OneDrive, log in, and download the file. It's as simple as that. Okay. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. When you subscribe to my channel, anytime I publish new tech video, you get notification on that. So that will make you to quickly come over and watch the video and grow in the knowledge of technology. Okay, hit that like button for me for the video to go viral. Also, if you want to support this channel, you can do so. Okay, I have buy me a coffee link in the description. Just click on that and buy me a coffee. I need to drink coffee. Okay, so that is that. You can also watch this video to learn more on technology. See you next time.